I say me Asante Kotoko head coach Prosper Ogum.
Okay. Doc.
The honeymoon should be over. Oh yes, honeymoon it should be over.
Sure.
And I unproven club is up or Kodra or better coach Asante Kotoko. What the point I say? Shadia. Where you one coach or bow one nana and koya and one. People season we or starting with Ghanaian and then Mubarak or the Kolibachim and Koya Mubarak next match. I want to call off. No, I come up and a finance Ajabino, now a Ghanaian Echo Blasters. And Koya Pet, no, I come up anyway. Oh, must stability natural. What the point I say? Shara Ajamai, one a Ghanaian. Go, I do for go. Ajamai quite a national women and no two for Babina, one of Emma, one of Prosper Ogum, and my young who said Kotokono, he has the boss to coach it.
Sure.
What about China? What in Boston baby? It be a certain game and Koye. But the next game you maintain them.
Sure.
Shadia, Apple, Ajamai, Mubarak, including Ghanaian. Almost head and speed. What the point I say? And it's almost speed is you have to get experience. Now, wow. And about experience, no Barak, no, and I can you. I only have tried and tested the last season they played for us to know, sir. I don't get it. Plus, for me, I can't convince me. I can say, Kotokodumano, or Wakokodu, and then Mabomu Barak, and I Ghanaian, and Koye. But the Mubarak will experience my body Betty, or Bashanti go, or will experience to see both Maswell Ajamai and then Aya Apauno. Not for my consistency about it. What you find? And I say, yeah, and right, about the car, it's quite a sheriff, no, man, able to. Meanwhile, there was small by 1-1, also able to. You give them their encouragement.
Sure.
It's coach, Prosper. Oh, by me, I'm so Prosper. Yeah, the honeymoon should be over.
Sure.
Or some Prosper, or setting up on the rest of the technical team. Now we say Kotoko, a Chilawano, over stability, Abaho, and that's what I'm saying. No, it's next match, and no, I demand go to Kenny, next match, money more. What the point I say? Meanwhile, no, Ghanaian, I very say, Mubarak, no, I am not campaigning for Mubarak. But my point is that of the trainer I will pay a Ghanaian, or behind his feet, just like Mubarak. But I think one of my experience come to bear, and Mubarak no experience.
Sure.
Obowene, a channel come away, Obowene, knock away. Where any more? Who say supporters you replace me? Who can't do me?
And the Kumi.
And the Kumi was a replacement.
Yeah.
I'm going to buy match or another match. Yes, that is season. I'm going to match.
We are referring to.
What the point I say? Show number 2 way. Now I time I boy Uncle Ye. The next game he was off. Yeah, that is how. It's not to say, and my name for whom and not on consult he should be his own man. What the point I say? Celeste, you and a mayor. Inconsistency in the door so the question. And doors too much. It is Prosper. Coach Prosper, before they respect, the honeymoon should be over.
Sure.
Yet it's a talent channel. The honeymoon should be over. And yeah, champion coach. And I was actually a psychologist. You could buy a back or be any. Now the job should be translated to a page. Or the rest of his technical team. Or more consistency in Yajuma. Never watch, especially the central pair. The same attitude for number 10. When you bought now, the man who computer probability player Bakuti, the man who just have a qualifying penalty. And you say, oh, Butu play BT 10. Jesus Christ. Huh? I say, and the Kumi, I'm not for Refino. Oh, yeah, now I'm for Refino. I'm going to also buy. I'm going to say, I'm going to go again back to the and go yet. I'm going to call off. Bad 3-4 matches. That on dress of quality. What's the point? Can I say? And to coach Prosper on the rest of your technical team. They said the honeymoon should be over and the time for action. Sure. But now you're concerning the management. I did also be a Brahmayo. That is why I did also be a Brahmaye. Places in Dubai, my year, because of the BR. And into the career said, Coach Prosper should be bold enough to say, Kodumano, over Timaya. And my theatre no changes may be endorsed too much, especially the central pair. One they pay Canigu. Coach Prosper, Monsieur, the honeymoon should be over. The honeymoon should be over. It should be all seriousness. Not number players in the right positions. They say about the idea, not the sheriff, not another two. What the point I say? And the coming or call off. They say most of the supporters were if you say, a certain and the kumina ba me so oko Dubai e sengi ge wa mo ye ball league get ko won share if as adama kon alright
obi antene kam
here and you say coach Prosper me say the honeymoon should be over or so started na ni breba you sama for ni abre in tonso so ni mere
ah
ma wie